He was trying to leave, and I didn't want him to leave. And I sat on the car, and I like slid into it when he drove off.
Why are you rolling up on me?
Hey, Stacy!
Get back! Get down!
On January 5th, 2026, several residents of an apartment complex in Jacksonville, Florida, called authorities regarding a couple in a heated argument, reporting reckless driving as well as a firearm. Officers reported to the complex, unaware that this toxic couple would turn a normal evening into a nightmare.
You called?
Yeah,
What's
I was
going
right
on?
there, walking to the gym. There's some dude that peeled out of here like really fast. So he comes back, stops right there, pulls out his gun, walks towards the lady that's in the garage. She's screaming on top of her lungs with her daughter, and he starts yelling at her, pulling the gun. So then I ran to the gym, told everybody to hide. I come back, and either he's gone or the car's in the garage, and they're both upstairs.
All right, what did you see?
So that's my apartment right up there on the 3rd floor. I had just walked down to go for a walk with my girlfriend and our puppy. We came right across here. Pretty much as we got to this grass right here, all of a sudden we heard like what the fuck you. We turned around, that was right behind us, that garage right there, not the one that's open, but
Yeah.
it's, I
The
can't
middle
remember.
one?
I think it's the middle one.
All right.
Looked like a black gray, some kind of dark Tesla, and there was a woman. The moment that I turned around, I was trying to rush my girlfriend over to those bushes to get away from what was happening. She was like double fist slamming down on the hood of the car. I don't know, I didn't see any altercation prior to that. I don't know how it started.
Okay.
And then the guy started revving and trying to come out of his garage, and she was literally on the hood. Like, she got up on the car and he full on accelerated with
Hey,
her on the
just
hood.
1 second. I gotta get one story at a time.
Okay, I'm the person I think that they called about.
Yeah, just give me 1 minute.
So, yeah, multiple times he kept trying to accelerate to knock her off the hood. By then, we were right about there trying to duck into the bushes. And then I heard him go really fast, and I came here and looked, and he was literally trying to do circles around this lot here as fast as he could to whip her off of the car. And then I heard a crash, I heard someone yell really loud, and by then we took off and everyone went to the gym. And then someone came in and said somebody had a weapon, so everyone was hiding in the kids' room in the gym inside of there. That's where I called from. So
Okay.
that's all I got for you.
All right. So what happened tonight?
Nothing. We just got into a little
Okay,
altercation.
something happened tonight, so it's not nothing. What?
We just got into a little altercation.
Who's we?
Me and my husband.
Okay. What kind of altercation?
He was trying to leave, and I didn't want him to leave. And I sat on the car, and I like slid into it when he drove off. And I was just chasing him and then the dog.
Who are you waving at?
Just letting him see that I was here.
Just. Alright. We'll deal with that in a second. Alright. So, walk me through start to finish what actually happens.
That was literally start to finish, and then I.
So, why are y'all arguing?
Are me and him arguing?
Yeah. This doesn't just happen for no reason, right? We don't have people climbing on cars and driving around fast. Like, let's
The
set all
driving
this
around
off.
fast, I mean, was
Okay.
maybe
Okay, just
not
let's
from here to there.
focus on me, not him.
Well, he's not over there anymore, but
Okay. So, how did this all start?
it's just we had a stillborn son in December, and I just had a really explosive episode. So I'm just a little sad that my son died, and he doesn't like to talk about it with me. And he wanted to leave instead of talking about it. I wanted him to stay. And that was it. But there wasn't like anything like they're making out to be.
Alright, is there any punching, kicking, slapping, biting, choking, spitting?
No, I just wanted him to talk about Carter dying, and he doesn't like to talk about it.
Making sure I'm tracking 100% on this. You try to talk to him about the stillborn child, which I'm sorry for your loss. He decides he wants to leave and not talk about it.
He just never can talk about any fucking thing. Anything with emotion, anything.
At least for tonight.
Sorry, yes.
He tries to get in the car to leave.
I sat on the car,
You sat on the car.
like this to the side.
Okay. And then what happens?
He went a little way. I went back. Then the dog went out, jumped out. I ran that way after the dog. I mean, I'm sure they fucking recorded it. I ran that way after the dog. He went that way. Then he came back.
Is he known to carry a firearm?
Not on him, but we do have weapons in our home. But he didn't have a gun on him though. Then he came back. He stopped here. I was in the middle of the street talking to this woman in the green. He jumped out.
So when he jumped out, what did he have a gun in his hand? Was he?
No, I didn't see a gun.
Was he yelling anything?
I can't remember if he was yelling anything. I was yelling
What were you yelling?
to come fucking home, to stop. And honestly, I can't remember if I said anything else. If they said I said something else, I may have.
All right. We'll go try to talk to him real quick. Yeah, I think so. All right. All right.
I'm curious because there's a lot of silence. So
All right.
We just were debriefing.
I understand that.
Do you have any weapons on you?
Excuse me?
Do you have any weapons on you?
Why are you rolling up on me?
Hey, seriously!
Get back! Get back! Get down! Ma'am, get back! Get back! Ma'am. Ma'am, please.
Hey, I'll hold cover. Detain her.
Hey, get off of him! Get off of him! Just, hey, ma'am. Okay, we'll deal with that. Just give me a second. Deep breath. Ma'am, get out of the way. We will help.
My baby!
We will. Just sit down. Sit down. Get a breath. Sit down and breathe. Okay?
He just
No, ma'am, I get you. Just sit down and breathe.
Rodriguez was pronounced dead on the scene. While the medical report is not complete as of posting, there was a .40 caliber bullet found in Rodriguez's brain, the same caliber as the gun he pulled during the confrontation.